Let's make okonomiyaki, Japan's savory pancake, also known as Japanese pizza. It's customizable, interactive, and absolutely delicious. Start by mixing 1 cup of flour, 2 eggs, 3/4 cup of water, and a generous handful of shredded cabbage. Add your favorite toppings, shrimp, pork, or even cheese for a twist. Heat your griddle and pour on the batter, spread it evenly and let it sizzle for about 5 minutes on medium heat. Time for the flip. Be confident, it's easier than it looks. Once cooked, it's all about the toppings. Add a zigzag of okonomiyaki sauce, drizzle mayonnaise, sprinkle seaweed powder, and top it off with bonito flakes. Watch the magic, those bonito flakes dance from the heat, making this dish as fun to watch as it is to eat. And there you have it, crispy, flavorful okonomiyaki. Perfect for sharing or enjoying solo. What toppings will you try on yours? Follow for more international recipes.